Good day, everybody. We're back making the waffles, and I got butter over there, and I got the Amish blueberry, a little bit of whipped cream, and various types of maple syrup all ready to go on the waffles. And got my waffle iron up to temperature, and I'm going to open that buddy up and grab my Pam original. Just a little spray on there, just like that. And then take my waffle mix. 1, 2. Just kind of ease her in there. Cover up all the little lumaflotchies. Okay, and close the lid and flip her over. And I set my timer for 4 minutes, and we're going to hit that right there. Now, one of the things I do that's a little bit different is when I warm up the water and melt my butters and stuff, I leave the plates in the microwave, and that way they're warm. So anyway, hope y'all are having a great day, because we are. I'll be back with you after 4 minutes to show you how we serve these puppies up.